Hi folks, got some dead trees. I got one that's there, you can see the top of it's dead. You got another one right there, you can see it's turning brown. That one's gonna have to come down. And then I've got one here that's fully dead, all brown. These will become a hazard. That's a pretty good sized guy. And it leans back that direction there. So falling it, you're going to be falling against the weight of the tree that naturally leans into the forest, which makes it a little difficult to deal with and get rid of. So I'm going to fall it down through here, this open area, right through here between these trees and these rocks. I've already set up, so you can see I've got a cable. It runs to the tree. It runs back to a Uniforest 55H. I've had a 45 on there before. So I'm using the Uniforest 55H. That's the hydraulic remote model. Comes with a handheld remote. So I can control that winch from my hands away from the winch itself or the tractor. That's going to allow me to make my cuts and apply the pressure at the same time. You can do this with the manuals, but it's a two-man operation. It requires a little bit of hollering between a revving engine of a tractor and the chainsaw. So we're going to get to work on this. I'll get a video of it going as soon as I get another hand out here to hold the phone. But that's what's coming down. And we're going to force fall it this direction. you see, we got the log down using the skidding winch. Pulled it, fell it into the area I wanted to fall it in. So now I can easily handle all the log with the tractor. It can go to the sawmill. It did fall a little bit to this side here, clipped on those rocks there, but that was fine. And the top broke out up there because it was long. I was shooting for right there. It was close, considering it was pointing in the wrong direction. And the tractor safely out of harm's way and got the job done. There you go. Thanks for watching.